Welcome back to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, also make your comment. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So we are going to be looking at Dow Jones or US30. Let's call it US30. This is what we'll be looking at, right? At first, we actually did analysis that is on Nasdaq 100, right? We actually got to the target. We all know that once there is a drop on Nasdaq 100, you will definitely get a drop on US30. There's no how that Nasdaq 100 will drop and you will not get a drop on US30. Once Nasdaq 100 drops, then there is a drop on US30. So we actually did analysis on Nasdaq, and that is not the first time we actually been doing the analysis. We've done it multiple times, and guess what? These analysis were actually on my Patreon channel. So those who were my Patreon subscribers were able to take this trade, right? So far, all the analysis we've been doing on Nasdaq basically has been hitting our targets. Even on US30, we've actually been hitting our targets. So basically, we want to know where this US30 will be moving for today, which is for the 22, right? I know guys want to know where it will be moving out. Honestly, I never wanted to do this analysis for the YouTube channel. I wanted to only do it for my Patreon subscribers, but I'm only going to do this analysis for you also. You guys are going to watch. So the next movement, if in case you want to know the next movement, then all you just have to do is check the link below in the comment section. Become one of my subscribers. I'm going to give you an update. You're going to trade, be it your US30 or any other index. So now let's take a look at this US30. We are very much likely to have a correction, which is going to be a bullish move. Now, one thing that I want you guys to know, and one of the mistakes a lot of traders do make, is that once there is a massive movement upward, one thing you should do is never go ahead and take that buy. Or once you get a good amount of drop down, never do make that mistake to go and sell. So one thing many of these traders we are doing, right, when they see kind of like a massive drop, they want to go ahead and sell. That is one of the worst mistakes you are going to make as a trader, because you will very much going to get taken out, right? So though a drop might still play out on this US30, yes, there's no doubt, but do not go ahead and take this drop. You would want to wait for a correction for this. You want to wait for a pullback. It is that pullback we are going to make a lot, because a lot of traders will want to, kind of, okay, since it is this level we'll be watching out for. Okay, now US30 should actually drop to this same level, which is very much possible to get to this level, but do not. All what we would want to do is actually take a correction, take that, buy to this correction. Now, you all know the rules of trading support and resistance, right? Once there's a breakout of a resistance level, price must definitely contest that resistance level. So if price breaks out of a support level, price must definitely give us a pullback or a correction to go and test that support level. So this is the movement here. There's a breakout of this resistance level. Basically, you see that all these levels were literally the support level. There were all support levels. See that once price comes to this same level, price will actually hit this level, then it will actually reject, right? But right now, this US30 has actually break below it. So what we would want to do is actually look for a buy position to test this same level. So that is what I want you guys to do. Do not look for sell. And again, if you take a look at this movement on this your US30, maybe this is a trend downward, an impulse move. Then we take a look at this to be a correction. Then another impulse move, right? You can see it came to test the same level. This is why we had a rejection whereby a correction has been made. Now, this is another impulse move. What do you expect next? A correction. That is why I said all what we would want to do is actually go ahead and take a buy, to correct. At the same time, price is very much possible likely to come down to a level of 33,000, right? So do not be surprised if price drops to a level of 33,000 before we kind of get that correction. So once we get that correction, right, we are going to test the same level. Then the next movement, I'm going to give an update on the next movement. That is to my only Patreon subscriber. If in case you are really interested in trading the US30, become my Patreon subscriber, right? I'm going to put the link in the comment section. You click on the link, you subscribe, then I'm going to give you an update. And one thing you are going to gain is that if there's another PS you want to trade that I've not done analysis on, you can come to my box, tell me what I think of the pair. Maybe I should help you to do the analysis, or what level of entry should I advise you to buy? Basically, I can give you some advice on something like that. So those are the benefits. This is what we are looking for. I'll repeat again. We will be looking for a correction on US30. At the same time, US30 is very much likely to drop to a level of 33,000 before that correction plays out. So just watch out for it. Once that correction plays out, we are not to sell, but we are to take a buy for a correction. So that is what to be watching out for. If you need an update more on US30, simple, become my Patreon subscriber. I'm going to continue to give you a constant update. So if in case you want to watch my Nasdaq 100, I'm going to pin the video. You can actually check it.